Yeah. Okay. I know. He's at workshop. Don't come auto. I can kill him myself off. I know. Everyone, get off bridge. Oh, I just want him to fight me one more time. I know I can drop him. I know I can. I did it. Alright, oh, I played it. Oh, yeah, I got that. I got that record. Come on, bruv. I'm gonna follow him to the back. I'm gonna follow him. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. I'm gonna kill him. Don't come. I can do it. Plus, he's getting banned, so. I would have too. He had it. Oh, I got him. I got him macroing down there. I got him macroing. Oh, I thought he was behind me. Oh! Watch Jazz! 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 You saw that! You saw that! Oh my gosh. Could I have it? Oh. PH. I am. Oh wow. Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. Fucking BS. Jim. Jim. Feels are bad.